Welcome to Cooking for Baby and Me. Today's featured ingredient is grapefruit. We will be making grapefruit with coconut yogurt and granola parfait, and seared salmon salad with arugula, avocado, grapefruit, and honey mustard. Joining me is Dr. Kathy Chen from St. Luke's University Health Network and Chef Anthony Bonett.
Hello.
Hi.
So we're going to be doing grapefruit today. And we're going to sear some salmon for the adults, but definitely a kid-friendly salad too if your child is a little older and has a more advanced palate.
So talk about the nutritional value of grapefruit for me, please,
So
Doctor.
grapefruit is a powerhouse of vitamin C. It's got a lot of citric acid, so it really helps your body absorb iron. It helps your body absorb iron with the citric acid, and it's got a lot of fiber.
I haven't, my kids are older and I haven't introduced grapefruit yet, so what age should you introduce grapefruit to your kids?
You want to wait a little older, more like 8 to 10 months of age, and these are the foods that you want to do one at a time because of allergies and to see if there's a reaction.
Okay.
People struggle with grapefruit. Just cut the ends off. Your grapefruit's like that, and then just pare the skin off. And then once you get to this point, you just kind of trim down some of your white. Once you get to this point, you see it's a pretty clean grapefruit.
Beautiful.
These cut really easily. You just kind of like cut them and tilt your knife and just kind of pull them out. You want to try?
Sure.
Okay, go ahead. Just cut around. Yep, and then you just tilt your knife out and kind of just like drop it out.
Oh,
there you go.
good
Yeah.
job.
Yeah, so real easy. So we're going to make this into a parfait. Citrus, it pairs well with sweeter ingredients.
I've never done this before. This is
Yeah, that's
It really
great.
works. It's nice, isn't it? It's very
Yeah.
like rewarding kind of
Nice and easy.
life skill. We're going to mix. I just mixed a little orange in it
Are
just
these
to
called
kind of.
Supremes?
These are called Supremes. Yes. We're going to mix these together, and you can mix
That's
a little
pretty.
sugar, but we're going to use a little honey. Okay, and it's definitely beneficial to use some local honey. This is just regular clover honey.
Doctor,
Okay.
you mentioned honey to me that you shouldn't give it under a certain age.
We don't give honey under a year of age due to the risk of botulism, but after a year of age, it's very safe.
Okay. I think we could start assembling
Okay.
our parfait. And we brought a coconut milk yogurt. The grapefruit and the citrus lends itself well to tropical flavors. So I thought it'd be nice with just like the coconut milk yogurt, the citrus. You can definitely add like some coconut flake if you want it. We just have a regular store brand granola cereal mix. So I think let's assemble however you want.
Yep.
And I'm going to come over here and start assembling my salad.
This would be fun for kids too.
Yeah.
They would have a blast putting this together.
For the salmon salad, it's arugula. There's fennel. Fennel really goes well with grapefruit. This is some chopped radicchio for some color. Some sliced red onion, little julienne carrots. Everybody's favorite ingredient, avocado.
How are you doing over here?
Good. And I like that there's a milk alternative option, and this can be made gluten-free if you choose a gluten-free alternative.
That's great.
While your salmon's cooking, I have the salmon in the oven. I made a little marinade of like grapefruit juice with some mustard and some soy sauce. And while it's cooking in the oven at the last second, just kind
nice
of pour that
little
over the salmon. And the last ingredient, I think when you're making the salad, don't add your grapefruit too early because it's kind of wet, so it'll weigh down your salad a little bit. And you can always even arrange your segments kind of like differently if you want. Okay, we're going to pull our salmon out, and we're going to. That parfait looks nice. I think our salmon's good. You can go medium rare if you like.
This is a great gluten-free meal for a family.
And we're just going to break the salmon up into the salad.
Oh, great. Beautiful.
Yeah, it looks great. Looks nice.
That grapefruit's delicious with the salmon.
That's delicious.
Really good.
What a great combination. The fennel tastes amazing in there too. That's great. Let's try the parfait.
Yes.
It's delicious. So good. My kids would love that.